Hello guys, welcome back to Code for Bio channel. In this channel we will cover various bioinformatics analysis tools and hands-on projects on various topics such as next generation sequencing, microarray and in silico prediction. So if you like this content, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. In the previous video we already discussed step 2 where we convert MDL and SDF file format into PDB protein data bank file format and prepare our ligand for docking. So on this video we will cover step 3 protein optimization. I requested to everyone, don't skip the video, otherwise you will miss the loopholes and do the same process from the beginning again and again. So let's start with protein optimization. So guys, now we are going to prepare our protein for docking. For that we just have to open a Google Chrome and type www.rcsb.org, or you can simply go to the Google and type RCSB or protein data bank. Okay, so this is the protein data bank. Okay, from the research paper I was taking the microbiome tuberculosis protein, which is name is 2FUM. So I am taking directly 2FUM. Okay, so this is the protein 2FUM, catalytic domain of protein kinase PKNB from Mycobacterium tuberculosis in complex with mitoxantrone. Okay, in complex with means that there is another molecule attached with this PKNB and name of that molecule is mitoxantrone. Okay, so you can see the look at the right hand side, there is a download files. You have to click on drop down arrow. After that you have to click on the PDB file, PDB format. So just click and your file is downloaded. Okay, you can go to the folder and then you just have to cut this file and paste in your docking folder. Okay, I already pasted this file, so you just move and replace. Now we have our file over there in docking folder, not on this folder, only in this docking folder. Okay, open it up. We have to open it, but we will open this file only in WordPad, not on Notepad or MS Word or any other tool. Okay, we only this file open in WordPad. So I already choose the WordPad, open with WordPad. Okay, just I have to click over there. So this is our protein. Okay, in the beginning of the file you must seeing the information of the protein, like the title. You can see the title over there, author, you can see the author, which author we are, you can see the author. When you scroll down you will see atoms. When we scroll down we will see atoms. Okay, you have to scroll it. This thing will be same in every protein. Okay, it is atom 1 NTHRA, this here, and okay, so these are the residues of proteins. So yeah, now we can scroll till the last. Okay, last you can see and masters, connect and see. Okay, for protein residue it was atom, but for any other molecule which is not the part of protein, it start with HETATM, which is means a heteroatom. These are the heteroatoms. So we have to do the optimization of protein, so we remove all these things. We remove all these things. We just need only atom. Okay, so it start from there. Okay, we just remove the these heteroatoms, connect and masters. Okay, so my last line will be THR7874 HIS histidine D277 and. Okay, so this is my last line. Now you have to press Ctrl plus S or just simply save this file and close the window. So guys, in the next video we will discuss about the energy minimization, which is our step 4 for the molecular docking, and see you in the next video.